How to create a poster in Canva. Now, if this is the first time that you encounter or the first time that you will use this specific platform, app, or a website, then this is very easy. So the very first thing that you will do is, of course, pull up any preferred browser you want. And once you open up your browser, then just head directly to canva.com. Now, this is going to be a free website, but you also do have an option to create an account. Now, the Canva is an app that lets you design professional visual materials without needing much in the way of graphic designing skills. The tool also can be used to create social media posts, like videos, presentations, slides, posters, art, drawings, and many other visual assets. Now, since we are trying to create a poster right here, so once you're already on the website, this is gonna be the Canvas official site. Now, you have two options in here. It's either you can create and use a free account, or you can also subscribe to one of their Canva Pro subscription for you to be able to use templates, tools, specific shapes, and all like that on all those premiums. So premiums is going to be indicated as a crown in any of those designs right there. For example, we will create a design. So this is how, or this is what you will do if you will create a design. Just simply click this button right here with a plus icon and you're gonna have to search for poster or any designs you want. Now, if you will search for poster, it's gonna be specific here. It's gonna be included with a specific size, and if it is gonna be a double-sided, a landscape, or a portrait, a square, and so on and so forth. Now, all these options right here are all accessible. So if you will create a design for your social media, for a video design, print products for your website, or if you have a customizable or a custom size in mind. Now, custom size is actually good for printing out or creating a layout for tarpaulins, like for birthday parties, for anniversaries, or any occasions out there. Now, all you have to do is just need to be specific for the search bar right here if you would like to use existing templates that is for free. So let's try to go ahead and create a sports competition poster. So let's see. I'm gonna be posting this poster through Facebook, so I'm gonna search Facebook poster in here. So as you can see, there's gonna be a bunch of options that you can use. If it's gonna be for Facebook ad, Facebook cover with a landscape design, a Facebook event cover, and what else? A Facebook profile frame, profile picture, Facebook shop ads for your Facebook story, Facebook video, and so on and so forth. Now I'm gonna be try to choose on any random designs right here or a random size. So let's go with landscape. Now these are all the tools that you can use, like from designs to audio. Now if you go ahead and click on designs, there is gonna be an existing templates that you can use. Some of them are free and then some of them are not. So this is what I'm actually talking about earlier. This one with the crown icon right here, this is for premium users. You can also use this if you will upgrade to Canva Pro to use the premium template. Now, since we are just using this as for tutorial for the sake of the video, now let's go ahead and try to choose on any existing free templates. Now, I'm gonna try to search for sports. So there you go. As you can see, once I try to search for sports, there are going to be a bunch of sports that you can use for free, or some of them are not. So let's try to go ahead and try to use this free poster right here. There. So if you choose on an existing template that is already been laid out, you can still edit some of these options right here. For example, I'm gonna be editing this team name. So I'm gonna try to change the team name to Testing 101. You can also try to change the logo. For you to be able to change the logo, you'll have to ungroup it first, and you can move around this specific objects right here. You can try to group it back if you want. Right. So you can also try to remove this design right here, and you can go ahead and change it if you use the element tools. So if you go ahead to element tools, these are going to be an options that you can go ahead and hover around and try to check if you would like that design. For example, if you click on elements, if you wanted to add frame, there are going to be a bunch of frames in here, including the freeze and um, premiums. Now, if you would like graphics, there's going to be also a bunch of graphics, and you can definitely search for any graphics you want. Now, you can also try for photos, videos, audio, shapes, mockups, and charts. So since we are just testing this out, I'm gonna be trying to change the font right here. So if you would like to change the text, just double click on that, and then you can go ahead and change the text. And if you would like to change the font, just click on that and go to the A icon right here. So these are gonna be your Word or your font editor page. So you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the individual color, and if you would like it to be bold, italic, and a message or a word with an underline, and you can also try to rearrange the alignment of the text like so. And you can add bullets or whether it's going to be a list, and then you can also add spacing like so. And for transparency, you can also try to edit it. Now for effects, this is gonna be the 3D effect of the font that you have clicked. For example, we're gonna try glitch. So it's gonna be a glitch effects. If you would like a stronger effect, then you'll just have to change the offset to the max level. If you wanted just a little bit, then you can minimize it. There you go. Now, since we are done with the fonts, then we can definitely change characters if you would like to. Now, for you to be able to add images or add custom images, just go ahead to uploads, and once you are registered with your Canva free account, you'll have to connect your Google Drive to your Canva for you to be able to upload files. Now, for you to upload files, let's go to uploads icon and just directly click on upload files, and it will automatically be uploaded right here. And for you to add it, just click on it and you can adjust the size of the image that you have uploaded. Now for you to be able to edit that specific image, just click on it, and this is going to be the same tool that you will get. So any options or any specific objects that you will click here, your tools will automatically be show up and the center portion of your screen. So if we will try to edit the image that we just uploaded, we'll try to adjust the color by going to edit and then go to adjust. Now you can add the temperature of the image, the tint, brightness, contrast, and so on and so forth. Now, if you would like to change only the foreground or the background of the image that you have clicked, then you can definitely change these options right here on what specific part of the image you would like to edit. Now, if you're good with the design that you want, all you have to do is just to simply click on share and just definitely click on download. Now, your file type is going to be depending on your preferred file. Just click on it and you will have a bunch of options right here. It's going to be, if it's going to be for JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4, GIF, and so on and so forth. Just definitely click on that and just directly click on download. Then that's it. That's how you simply create a poster in Canva.